Well, let's open it up and see what's in the box for now. The mobile base, at least. Look at the instructions. And of course, a million pieces. So there's the pack that we'll put together. So we'll check that out in a bit. And this is the table extension. A 36-inch fence and table. And the fence itself is in there. So here's the fence with all its instructions and all the hardware. Let's take that out to look at it. And see if we can get this box over where I can get it. I think it's in the neighborhood of 300 or 400 pounds. So there we go. Get a hold of it. So there's the pieces part. It looks like it's laying down with a cast iron top. And everything we need. So looks like a bit more of an adventure. We'll try it out later. Maybe let's try behind this guy. Aha! That's always handy. Hide them in a good spot.